Hi everyone, welcome back to Smart Toolkits. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best cordless reciprocating saws. Check the shop links in the description. Chevy Day.
Product number 1, CZI Cordless Reciprocating Saw. First up is the CZI Cordless Reciprocating Saw, a lightweight and versatile tool designed for cutting wood, plastic, and metal. It features a 200-watt brushless motor with variable speeds up to 3,500 revolutions per minute and a 15 millimeters stroke length for fast and controlled cutting. It comes with two 4.0Ah batteries and 6 saw blades, giving you plenty of runtime and versatility for different jobs. The tool-free blade change makes swapping blades quick, while the built-in LED helps illuminate dark work areas. Pros: powerful, lightweight, versatile, and excellent battery setup. Con: it may not be ideal for demanding professional duty applications. Check the shop link in the description for the latest price and details. Product number 2, Greenworks 24V Brushless One-Handed Reciprocating Saw.
The Greenworks Compact Recit. Its pivoting shoe provides control and stability. Easily change blades in seconds without tools. Get more power and runtime with 20 advanced lithium-ion for long-lasting.
Its efficient brushless motor delivers up to 3,000 SPM, with a 1-inch stroke and variable speed control for better cutting precision. The compact design makes one-handed operation easier, while the tool-free blade change and built-in LED work light add extra convenience. It comes with a 2.0Ah battery and compact charger. Pros: lightweight, compact, brushless motor, and easy blade changes. Con: the 1-inch stroke is better suited to lighter cutting tasks. Check the shop link in the description for the latest price and details. Product number 3, Black Plus Decker 20V Max Cordless Reciprocating Saw.
Experience the power of the Black & Decker cordless saw. It cuts through PVC and wood with ease, featuring a variable speed trigger for total control,
drywall,
power through
plastic,
every project,
and even nails. Its variable speed trigger delivers up to 3,000 SPM, while the pivoting blade shoe provides better control when changing cutting angles. The tool-free blade change makes swapping blades quick and easy, and the electric brake adds extra safety. Pros: versatile, lightweight, easy to control, and compatible with the Power Connect battery system. Con: this is a tool-only model, so the battery and charger are sold separately. Check the shop link in the description for the latest price and details. Product number 4, Melif Brushless Reciprocating Saw. Our fourth pick is the Melif Brushless Reciprocating Saw, designed to work with DEWALT 20V Max batteries. Its brushless motor delivers up to 3,000 SPM with a 1-inch stroke, providing strong and efficient cutting performance. It can cut wood, soft steel, and aluminum, while the variable speed trigger gives you better control. You also get a pivoting shoe, LED light, and tool-free blade change for added convenience. Pros: powerful brushless motor, lightweight, versatile, low vibration, and great battery compatibility. Con: it's a tool-only model, so the battery and charger are not included. Check the shop link in the description for the latest price and details. Product number 5, Demolition Brushless Cordless Reciprocating Saw. And finally, our fifth pick is the Demolition Brushless Cordless Reciprocating Saw, a powerful option for wood, metal, PVC, branches, and DIY projects. Its 400-watt brushless motor delivers up to 3,500 SPM, with a 1-inch stroke length for fast cutting. The 60-degree adjustable metal head provides flexible cutting angles, while the LED work light improves visibility in darker areas. It also features tool-free blade changes, a safety lock, and battery-level display. Pros: powerful motor, high speed, versatile adjustable head, and easy blade changes. Con: it's a tool-only model, so the Milwaukee 18V battery and charger are sold separately. Check the shop link in the description for the latest price and details.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the shop links in the description. See you in the next video.